Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your girl Dime. Welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a quick little install, and as you see, I am adding my lace glue, and it is called the Meltdown. I got this from my local beauty supply store, and I'm just going to add, I think I added like 2 layers or 3. I'm not really sure. I think it was like 3 or 2. But yeah, I'm just adding my lace glue, and yeah. So here I am just hot combing the little edges back so I don't get no glue on my hair. I like doing this to have like a smooth what is it, application, because if you got no hairs in a way, then it's just gonna be in the way, and you don't want your hair glued to your glue because that's annoying. So yeah, I'm just about to do that, and then right now I'm just applying the lace to the glue. This stuff is really self-explanatory, and I just thought I'd do a voiceover because I never do voiceovers. So I'm like, I want to do a voiceover. But yeah, I'm just applying my wig to the glue, and I'm going to be pressing that in with the comb. Okay, so the next clip is going to be me spraying down my lace with some spray, but I just want to let y'all listen to this audio. It's a podcast, Just Hilarious Podcast, and girl, when y'all hear this episode, let me know what y'all think, because I just started watching Just Hilarious, and I freaking love it. It'd be crazy, but yeah.
I always say that I would never date him because of how he treated women. And he's one of those guys that has money, so he thinks that he could just buy people off, or I'll buy this and she'll be okay. Like, oh, well, I'll take her on a trip and she'll get over it. So he's definitely one of those people. So back in April, he decided to, well, he already knows that I like girls. So me and him were just talking a lot, and he was flirting more and more, and I really didn't know about the situation that he had going on at home. So I was just peeping that he was flirting way more than usual. So I had said something to him, like, and I had really went back on all the messages to see, like, because I didn't really, remind you, I had him in friend zone, so I didn't see him, like, flirting with me. I just was like, oh, thank you. Like, oh, this is my friend. Like, anytime he sent heart emojis or things like that, I was just like, oh, thank you. Like, I appreciate that. Like, because we're friends. I would do the same thing. So I didn't think that it was like flirting, because I literally had him strictly in the friend zone. Everything was cut off. So we decided to get in a polygamous relationship in April with me, him, and his girlfriend at the time. And everything was going good. Everything was going good. Everything was going great. Our communication was good. Me and her were talking. We were taking the kids out on play dates. We would all 3 go on dates together. We would do separate dates. It was just a good vibe for probably 2 months. Me and him went to Atlanta. For some reason, she did not go. When we got to Atlanta, everything was cool, but his energy was off. Like, something was giving me, you being sneaky. And I was confused on why you being sneaky if we all 3 communicate properly and know what's going on. Everything was okay. The trip started getting messy after I posted a picture. I had posted a picture on social media because one of my shirts had got wine spilled over it. So I asked him for one of his shirts, and I still used it as a nice outfit, put it together, and I used one of his shirts. His girlfriend realized that I had on one of his shirts, and then it turned left. But remind you, we all agreed to this polygamous relationship.
Keep it real with you. They kept from you that they were pregnant. Is that why you were upset? Was it upset because you felt like you would now be less interesting to the both of them because they now have a baby on the way, between them two? Like, what exactly frustrated you? Why did you get so upset with that? If it wasn't all about them just keeping it 100, let me know. Hey, I'm in this relationship too. Why didn't I know that she was having a baby? You said Vegas was nice, then at the gender reveal, you were doing your duties as the second girlfriend, as the other girlfriend. I don't see how the fuck, if you were so upset about this pregnancy, you still was at the gender reveal doing everything. You said you helped put it up, you helped take it down. Jesus Christ. You involved yourself a lot. Wait, let's just go back a little bit. I think that you also involved yourself in this guy's relationships before this one a little too much. You told me that she was going to the doctors with these bitches and shit because he was burning them left and right.
Damn.
You were way too involved with the girlfriends. Way too involved. But that was than this is now. Okay, going forward. You said the girlfriend eventually started acting different. Out of nowhere, y'all just kept asking her, what is the problem? Do you want me to step back? Do you... Instead of waiting for her to tell you that, I think you just should have. You just should have.
Okay, so that freaking story was crazy. Like, how you go from best friends with this man into a polygamous, I don't even know how to say the word, relationship with him and his girlfriend, and then when she gets to acting funny, you fought back from her, but you still messing around with the nigga. I don't get it. That's why I feel like people shouldn't even get in those, because those situations get messy, and it's just a mess that people agrees to stuff like that. Like, what are y'all really doing? But anyways, I'm just parting out my baby hairs to lay them down. Okay, so here I am just pressing out my edges so they can lay down flat before I cut them and curl them. Okay, so after finish pressing them out, I'm just going to get my little razor and begin to cut them how long I want them to be. And yeah, I just do that on all the baby hairs that I have out. I have my curling iron ready to curl. Okay, so I got my little pencil curler and I am curling them inwards. You can curl them inwards or outwards. I don't think it really makes a difference. It's just curling hair at this point. You only curling like an inch of hair, so it really don't matter whether you curl in or out. But now I'm just gonna get my eco styling gel to lay my baby hairs down. I feel like this gel works perfectly fine because it don't have your edges super hard, and all you have to do is put like a little bit of water on them, and then you can just, relay them. Like versus putting like hairspray or like the black got to be gel. I just feel like that makes your edges just a little too stiff, if you know what I mean. And I just figured like this is like the best thing that I use to lay my edges down without them being like super hard, but it does the job. It gets the job done. But yeah, that's all I'm about to do. Okay, so now I'm about to get my little wax stick and I'm about to just put that on my middle part and get to pressing that out. I freaking love this wax stick. It doesn't leave your hair all greasy, but it gets the job done. So here I'm just pressing out my middle part so it can lay down flat. And I freaking love that wax stick so much. Like it gives a shine, but it don't make your hair oily like this other wax stick I had made my hair super oily. I'm dead. But it made my hair super oily, and I would just have to wash my wig like 2 days later, and I hated that. But this one doesn't leave my hair all oily or stiff or anything like that. So yeah, and after this, I didn't style my hair on here or nothing. I really hate niggas that invite you out and then when a day comes to go out, they freaking flake. Like this is beyond what this video is about. But I just got a message or whatever. But yeah, I don't even know. I hate niggas though. But yeah, this is it, y'all. I love y'all. Thanks y'all so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. And I'll holla back at y'all in my next video.
Now listen, darling. Pay attention, pray and listen, hear your father.